Are you an educator, trainer, or expert looking to create online courses but overwhelmed by the time and effort it takes to develop course modules? Well, today, we're going to introduce you to a game-changing solution that will revolutionize the way you create course modules: AI technology. With AI-powered platforms like Coursify, creating course modules has never been easier. Let me walk you through the process. Step 1. Log into the Coursify cloud-based app. It's as simple as logging into your favorite social media account. Step 2. Enter a keyword related to your course topic. This could be anything from digital marketing to yoga for beginners. Step 3. Watch as our AI assistant, Sonia, works her magic. Within seconds, she'll create fully functional course modules complete with videos, images, course outlines, quizzes, and more. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our users have to say about their experience with Coursify. So, whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting out, harness the power of AI to streamline your course creation process with Coursify, ready to take your online courses to the next level. Click the link in the video description to watch our step-by-step tutorial and start creating course modules with AI today.